Not on community. I've followed you since community.
Okay.
Do you have your license, registration?
I don't have to give you anything on my
Yes, you do.
You're off, get off my property.
Question. No. I have a question.
The ideas, opinions, and beliefs of the radical masculine are for entertainment purposes only. We make fun of everyone equally.
So it is about that time. I got another reaction for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and welcome to the Radical Masculine.
On January 27, 2023, an officer attempted to conduct a traffic stop for driving a golf cart on a public roadway.
Not on community. I've followed you since community.
Okay.
Do you have your license, registration?
I don't have to give you anything on my
Yes, you do.
You're off, get off my property.
Yes, you do. You committed a traffic infraction.
Okay, good. Send me.
He's one of them. I don't have to give you anything. You're on my property. This is America. Another one of them.
Ticket.
I need your license, registration, and proof of insurance.
I have not committed a crime, and I'm not going to.
You committed a traffic offense. Yes, you did.
I did not, sir.
Yes, you did.
I did not, sir.
No, you are, but what am I?
You're a nerd.
I know you are, but what am I?
You're an idiot.
I know you are, but what am I?
Okay, are you going to turn this into something criminal?
That's up to you. I'm at my house. If you saw me out there, then you got to pull me over out there.
That's not how that works. A traffic. That's not how that works.
Please remove your vehicle from my
No,
yard.
a traffic infraction happened on the roadway. I need your license.
You're not getting anything.
I need your license.
Do not enter my property, sir.
I'm not on. I need your license.
Thank you so much.
I need his license.
Melly?
I don't know, sir.
Okay, I need his license, or he's at risk of interfering with a law enforcement investigation. Does he want to get arrested for?
What
Call the
investigation, sir?
supervisor. Call the supervisor.
Okay, I will.
Well, I don't know what investigation.
And please move your vehicle out of
Call
my
Sergeant Garcia.
vehicle by call.
Hey, do you want to come 51 out to me? Now I'm inside the gated community, but he was driving on the public roadway. He's refusing to give me his license.
Okay, you're refusing.
All right, you're heading out here.
So what do they think? So they think that if they don't get pulled over the moment they've committed a crime, that they could just drive home, and as soon as they get on their driveway or in their garage, then they're good, they're safe. Imagine if that were the case. People that were drinking and driving or speeding, they would just race home, pull into their garage, and flip the police off.
All right, bye.
Here we go. Officer, I'm going to ask you again. You're in my driveway. Please move. From
You
my
committed a
driveway,
traffic
sir.
infraction on the public roadway.
I'm respectfully asking you again, sir. If you please remove, I am not giving you my driver's license.
Actually, 1164. And if there's another unit,
Please move from my. You are blocking my driveway. Am I being detained?
Yes, I
Okay,
need your
I'm being
I
detained.
need your identity to identify you.
I need a supervisor.
I'm sorry, but you are not allowed to do that.
Okay, you can think that.
I know how the police are working.
Okay.
Very well.
Okay.
Can you come in?
I know how the police are working very, very well. And before you say anything, I am Latino, so don't give me any of that bullshit. You could... But anyway, so let's hear her knowledge of the police and the laws. I would love to hear her explain that.
Let him in. Yes, and our property. Go back inside. Thank you.
No, he's gonna bring a supervisor. I'm not running from anybody. He'll bring a supervisor. Okay. I'm legally permitted to drive in this
That fat fuck hasn't been running anywhere, apparently.
neighborhood. I'm insured.
Not on public roadways.
This is not public, sir.
You were on the public roadway.
Say, okay, do you have proof of that?
Yes, I do.
May I see it?
It's on the body camera.
Perfect. Okay.
I can give it to you
then
after you give me your driver's
I'm
license.
not giving you my driver's license.
Okay.
Why you gonna stop to take that part?
That's what I want to know. If he says I was on the road.
There are other cars on the road.
Oh.
Yeah, it's
Also,
important.
if you don't stop at the right moment, it's not counted.
That's not how that works. A traffic stop can be initiated anywhere a violation.
You don't do that in that moment. That is mean you do that when he come back in here in the house. That is mean you don't do that in the right moment, where you have to do it.
Yeah, that's not how that works.
Well, you don't do it, so.
That is not how that works.
It's
Is
work
this
like
allowed?
that
Are
because
you allowed to block?
What is she saying? I don't understand what she's saying. I don't get it. There's like no logic there. She's like, if it doesn't happen at the right moment, it's like, clearly you don't know the fucking law.
My
it's
yard?
work
Yes.
like that.
Okay, you are.
I'm trying to initiate a traffic stop on you.
Didn't you on private property? You tried to do.
because of a violation that occurred on a public
You
roadway.
are not allowed to enter private property to come after me. You can't do it. So that's
Okay.
why I asked for a
You have
supervisor.
to-
I'm not.
There's a supervisor coming.
Personal, man.
Okay.
Nothing personal.
Hey, there's a supervisor coming, and you could explain this all to him then.
You have the moment and the opportunity for do that, you don't do it. So that is mean you don't do it right, your job.
That is not how that
It
works.
is like that. It is.
Okay.
It is.
Okay.
You know that.
You're on my property, Scott.
I am.
I am not giving you permission to enter my property.
I'm not.
You're on my property.
I'm not on your. I'm not in your house.
Blocking my property.
This is HOA property.
My driveway.
This community is HOA property.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
The whole driveway is mine.
HOA property.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
It's mine.
Okay. This is HOA property.
Okay, so you're saying
Now, if you think you own your house and the HOA can't tell you shit, try to paint your house without their permission. And you are not above the law nor the HOA.
you're saying that this is not my
If that's
property,
not-
right?
it's like a what?
This right here is HOA property. Where you committed a traffic offense is public roadway.
People is blocking my property.
This part is in this property. This is our property.
Okay. If you guys want to turn this into
I don't even know why she's talking. She's just the housekeeper or the nanny. It's like, get out of here. But she's sleeping with the boss?
something more.
Look at that.
To turn it into anything.
Okay.
Nobody.
After me.
Okay.
You have to do the right thing.
Okay.
That moment. You don't do it?
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay.
You lose that.
I know. You saw everything from inside the house, right?
Sir, I am not afraid. I am not afraid for you. I'm here, and I'm telling you that if you don't do the things when you have to do that in the moment that you have to do, why you don't stop him in that part?
Oh, you studied
I'm not-
criminal justice?
Huh?
You're a police officer?
Well, that is not your business. If I know, if I not, that is not your business.
Okay.
Okay, but that is that I'm telling you.
Okay. I mean, you're trying to tell me how my job works now.
But you don't do that.
Okay.
Well, I mean, you know, nanny, housekeeper, police officer, it's all the same shit.
I don't know what you're saying.
No, you know what I'm saying.
No, I don't.
You know what I'm saying.
No, because
You are not
a traffic infraction,
Uh huh.
you can make a traffic stop.
All the time, but you don't do that in the right moment, in the right second. You don't do that in that minute.
Okay.
Why you have
can,
to wait?
I'm not here to change your mind.
No, it's because you don't wait. You wait for to come here.
I am
and
not
when
here
you
to
have
change your
do that,
mind.
you have to
I'm
do
not
that
here
in
to
that
change
part.
your mind.
No, I know.
And you weren't driving the golf cart, so I don't know why I'm talking to you.
Because you are the law enforcement and you have to respect for me because you are the law. Right or wrong?
And I'm trying to enforce the law, and you're impeding my
I am
investigation.
not, what investigation, sir?
The
you
traffic-
Don't have any part. You don't have any paper. Your supervisor is not here.
Do I need
You
to
don't
pull
do
up?
the report.
Okay. If
She's one to talk about having papers.
I pull up a printed sheet of what law
You
he
don't
broke,
do that.
No, if you show me proof of me breaking the law,
I absolutely will.
Okay. Perfect.
Okay.
No, but do
proof,
that.
and then I'll
You
and
don't
I'll be
stop the
quiet.
vehicle.
I'm not
Okay.
trying to
You
give you a
don't
hard
stop the
time.
vehicle. You don't stop and you don't ask for his driver license. You don't do the things that a police officer have to do.
I
And you
asked
know-
for his driver's license. You
when
were
he
in some.
was-
When I'm on private property, you can't ask.
That's
me
not how that
I have
works.
to give you
No,
that.
You-
I haven't-
it is.
Just because you come to your house doesn't mean it's safe zone.
I didn't say anything about safe zone. I'm in private property, sir.
Okay.
I am on private
Okay,
property.
you can have this argument with the sergeant.
Okay.
With the judge and everybody.
Yes, absolutely.
Okay, so that's fine. So we'll take it to court.
Did she just say with the judge or with everybody? Everybody's the judge, the prosecution, the everybody. It's like, I would have sent her in that house because that fucking floor is not gonna mop itself.
How you doing, boss? Good, good, good.
I pull up here with my son, and all I'm trying to do is go inside the house, and he pulls.
He's like, Charlie Troutman, proud American. I'm here on my private property, and that officer tried to pull me over for driving a golf cart on my here property. So I wish to file a complaint.
Up in my driveway. I asked him to leave. He said, I want to see your driver's license. I said, for what? He said, for driving the golf cart. He said it was on a public road. I said, well, number one, we're on private property. This is private property. I'm more than okay to drive my golf cart on here. It's insured. And he wants my driver's license. I said, okay, well, then show me what I did wrong. He said, I was following you from somewhere, but there was cars. I said, well, I'm not giving you my license for that. I mean, I'm not hiding. This is my house. You find out who I am, but I'm not giving him my license for something. If he's saying I was doing something, then he's got to pull
You know he's a proud American when he doesn't say house. When he says how. This right here, my house.
me over, and he's got to do whatever he's going to do at the time that he thinks that I'm apparently breaking the law.
So yeah, inside the HOA communities, you're allowed to. But anywhere it's like city on roads like Village Parkway, Community Boulevard, Gatlin Cross, anything else that's not inside of like big community.
Clearly, this cocksucker is the trainee because he doesn't know. He sounds like he's negotiating with them, like he's being docile, he's not being assertive. He's like, yeah, well, you know, apparently he doesn't know shit.
Area.
I understand
And
that.
then,
I mean, I understand that.
yeah.
I mean, to pull me over right here in my house.
This is my home. I thought this was it this time.
Nah, home away, mate.
You like to see homos naked?
And he wants to put the lights on and make a big commotion. Blocking my driveway.
Yeah, he has the supervisor on the way. Also.
Okay.
So,
I
I mean,
thought you were the supervisor.
no. I have a trainee.
Who in the fuck is listening to Pocahontas? Nobody says shit about what she has to say because she know the law.
We were close by.
Oh, yes, you don't have to. In here. You can put it in here.
Normally, we're stopping the golf carts because a lot of people are calling them City Hall. One, it can't be on the roadways. Or
I am
the
agree with
sidewalks.
you, but do it in the moment that you have to do it. You don't have to wait.
Do
You
it,
don't
do
have
it,
to
do
do
it, do it,
this.
do it.
We respect the law enforcement,
Absolutely.
but it's the thing when you have to do that. If you told me
Apparently not.
I am broken the law outside, you have to pull me over and right away in that moment.
That's like telling me,
If you go to the family reunion to meet women, you might be a redneck.
okay, I mean, somebody pull up to your house and say, oh, you broke the speed limit on the highway. Well, we're at my house. What are you talking about? You know, I mean, come on.
Hi. So I'm his supervisor. So I'm gonna make one request.
Okay.
Okay. Pulling into your driveway doesn't negate the stop. I'm gonna give you the option right now because what's gonna happen if you don't provide the identification, we're gonna have to arrest you. We don't want to arrest you.
Under arrest?
Yes.
Okay,
So
for
would you
what law?
prefer to present the identification or not?
Sorry, I have a question. No. I have a question. No, you don't have to.
I'm not fighting you. I'm not fighting.
You're not fighting.
Stop. Move away.
Don't
Keep
say
your
anything
hands
without
off
your
him.
lawyer, and they don't have any
So you're
solution for to do
so
that.
if I give you my
are
driver's
doing
license,
things like that.
so if I give you my license, you will permit me. You will have a.
And this is right around the time when they become, you know, very pliable. Where they're like, well, all I gotta do is this. You know, they kind of tone that shit back just a little bit. All I gotta do is show you my license. And then Pocahontas over there, if that was a guy who put his hands on a cop, holy shit, he would have got arrested. Let's see what happens.
Conversation with you. I'm asking you about the law.
You're under arrest.
The kids is that doing?
Resist, okay?
I am not recessed, but the kids there in there.
Don't
The
resist.
kids there in there.
Ma'am,
Please.
don't resist.
I didn't tell you no. I said I was going to ask you a question.
You did tell
I'm
this
trying to-
officer no, though, right?
I said I want to understand what the law is. That's all I ask.
Okay.
Please. Tell him that you're 14 years old and he's 6 years old.
Okay.
Don't leave it alone.
Okay.
He's like Officer Bushman, Officer Jackson, cuff her.
That's it.
Let us 1 second at a time.
But you don't have
Melly,
to do it in
Melly,
person.
Melly,
They
my
arrested
kids
him.
are inside. Let her, please.
No, they
she'll
say
be
that.
quiet. She'll be quiet. Please, let my kids are inside. I have a 6-year-old daughter in there, sir. You can't.
Quiet? She hasn't shut her mouth this whole time. Now all of a sudden she's gonna be quiet?
Please let
We're gonna
her.
have to find somebody else. to
Okay,
come back.
let her go. She didn't do anything.
Absolutely not. Put her in the car, please. In the car.
Okay, can I tell my son?
Put her in the car.
Wait a minute, I have
Can
minors in
I
here.
have
Okay,
my-
I tell my son?
Let's go
I'm
to
not
the car.
fighting. I'm not fighting.
Let's go to the car, sir. Please.
Believe. You cannot leave my kids alone.
We're right here.
We're not gonna leave it alone.
Why
Sir,
are you doing this?
I'm doing this. Please
I
walk to
just
the car.
asked you. I just said to
Sir,
you if
please
I said
walk
I
to the
wanted to
car.
make sure that I'm legally
Sir,
required
walk
to
to
give
the
you my
car.
ID.
Yes, you are legally
Okay,
required.
but
It's a
if you
traffic
would have
stop.
told me that,
I tried to explain that to you.
I told no. I was asking for a
please.
super.
Now the police are the ones that are not being reasonable. It's like, come on, just give him your fucking ID. He probably would have gave you a warning.
To the car.
Please, man. My
You
kids
would have
are-
literally gotten a warning.
And I was
You would have
trying to
gotten a
do
written
that
warning.
and give you. You see
I
my
don't
license is right
understand.
here.
Okay.
Come on, man.
Why didn't you just
I got
show
a
it to me?
6-year-old in there.
Sir,
Come on.
I'm not wanting to do any of
Give
this.
my kid a ride to school, please. Come on, man. Don't do that.
Sir, there's nothing that I'm doing.
Respectfully asking you.
Please turn around.
Do you have anything on? Come on. Do you have anything on you that's gonna poke me, stick me?
I asked for a supervisor. That's all I asked, sir.
Sir.
Please.
He's like, yeah, I have a popcorn shrimp dick right on here in these sweats.
Man to man, if you have kids, please don't do this. My
Sir.
kids are inside.
Listen, all you had to do was
And
present your ID.
it's right there.
As
right
simple,
there in the
as
front
simple
pocket.
as
But I
it
told
was.
you that, sir.
I don't understand what the point of refusing it was.
It wasn't. No. But what I'm trying to tell you is, I wasn't trying to refuse it from you, sir. I was asking you if I'm legally required. That's all I was asking.
He asked you, right?
No. Well, he asked me, but he also was blocking my property, and I didn't understand what that was. That's why I requested respectfully. I told him respectfully, may I please speak to a supervisor? That's all I said.
Ay, Dios.
There's no going back. Okay.
All right. Where are my kids?
Is there? So here's my next question: Is
Okay.
there a relative, a
Yes.
neighbor that you would?
Can you call her?
Absolutely.
Okay. Can you just let her go? Man?
We
She's
can't,
just
sir.
being a
If
pain.
she's in
She's
handcuffs,
just being a pain. That's all.
sir.
Okay, can
but
you
she
do me
can't-
that favor?
she
I'll go.
Can't put her hands on officers when they're trying
She
to. place
wasn't
them.
trying to put her hands to hurt anybody. Come on.
Just because you accept that fucking bullshit and that big mouth don't mean that Officer Bushman has to. Look at him. He's beautiful.
No, I'm not. I never said she was.
All right, just
but
let
she
her.
can't.
And I
Okay.
respect that,
So
sir.
let's-
And
let's
I
work on-
apologize to you, man. Can you please let her stay with
Sir.
my kid?
No, sir.
Please, sir.
Who am I calling for you?
703.
And who is that?
That's their mother.
Okay.
She's right down the street.
what's
Can you
the-
call her? And why is this guy walking?
I couldn't tell.
Huh? Well, yeah, I got pulled over for driving a golf cart.
What's the name of the mother?
I'm getting arrested, and I
put him out.
he's throwing me in the. Yeah, my kids are in the.
come on.
For driving the.
Notice he didn't say that he broke the law. He was just driving his golf cart on his own property, and then Officer Bushman pulled up and harassed him, slapped his wife, and is detaining him for no reason.
Golf cart. Okay, get your extra and push me in like you want to. Go ahead.
Why would I do that?
Come on, man. I got kids. Why you got
Why would
to
I
do that?
push
I
you
asked
in?
for us. You know why? Just like you
I
were
was
trying to
nothing but
rough me up
respectful
in
to
there.
you.
You weren't. I was respectful to you too. Didn't I tell you nicely? Can you make sure? Please don't leave until my kids are here.
We are not
Wait,
gonna go
you
anywhere.
cannot leave until my.
We are not going anywhere yet.
He ain't in charge.
Where is my phone? You took my phone out of my pocket.
Yes, I have that.
Where is it?
It'll be going with you to the St. Lucie County
Where is
Jail.
it? I need to see it.
It will be going with you to St. Lucie
He
County
needs
Jail.
to make a phone call.
Hope you feel
Let him make
good,
a phone call.
doing that to somebody with kids. I wasn't rude to you.
I don't like doing it. All I needed was your ID, man.
Most people have kids, and that's not an excuse to fucking get away with acting like a dick.
I wanted to know if I'm legally required to give it to you, and that's why I asked for it.
You are legally required.
So that is going to conclude our reaction for the day. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. You can also give me video ideas. If you see a video on the internet and you want me to react to it, go ahead and put it in that comment box below. Well, other than that, until next time, see you guys in hell, motherfuckers. Spaceman, out.